Hi everybody, my name is Raheel. I work in Saudi Arabia as an engineer and I travel a lot due to the nature of my job. First webinar, if I remember, and I think it was called Mindsets or something like that. And that was my kind of eureka moment after that mindset webinar. It kind of made me focus and realize that it's actually quite a simple process to sell deals. You just have to be like a problem solver. You just have to put the buyer and the seller together. So what's great about the WhatsApp groups and Arsh is that you can contact them 24/7. I mean, I have had down moments where I've felt like I'm not making any deals at some point, and I just pick up the phone, call Arsh straight away. He gives me the motivation, and I just kick on. Sometimes I've called him early hours of the morning. He's answering his phone at that time and going through deals with me, and it's great. I don't think you can find that anywhere else. Find somebody that will actually listen to your problems and give you the confidence to build yourself up again and go through deals with you, and it's been amazing. So if you are thinking about giving this a try, I would seriously consider it. I think it's a great opportunity to make a great second source of income, and eventually it can be your main income to be able to easily retire off. I don't see why you can't make it work. If I can make it work from where I am, working a few hours a day, not even in the UK, then there's no reason why you can't. You just have to put in the hard work, put in the effort. So I wish you all the best, and I'm also still in the WhatsApp group, so if you do join, you can talk to me directly, ask me any questions you like, and yeah, thanks again. Speak to you soon. Cheers.